Fixing Shopify payments on hold is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can fix your Shopify payments on hold. Well, it could be due to different reasons, so I'm just going to tell you the possible solutions. First things first, check Shopify payments dashboard for notifications because whenever there is an error, you will get a notification. Now, review the reasons provided for the payment hold. There could be a different reasons, so you just have to review the reasons and you will be able to find the possible solution. If you cannot, just contact the Shopify support for clarification and assistance, provide requested documentation promptly, and then ensure compliance with Shopify policies, follow up regularly on the status of hold, consider alternative payment methods if necessary, be patient and persistent in resolving the issue. So these are the things which you need to keep in mind because these things will be able to help you solving these problems. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this very helpful.